Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to update Mini Cooper navigation maps, only ways. Start by finding your map version in the infotainment settings and identifying the required file type. Download the official map package from the manufacturer using a desktop, then verify the checksum or file size to avoid corrupted installs. Prepare a clean USB or SD card formatted to FAT32 and copy only the required update files. Download the correct map package from the official Mini portal and save it to your computer. Extract the archive if needed, and confirm the folder structure matches the manufacturer's instructions. Rename folders only if instructed, and never mix multiple map versions on one drive. Safely eject the USB or SD card once the transfer completes, and avoid using other files on the drive to reduce install errors. With the car parked and ignition on, insert the prepared USB or SD card into the infotainment slot. The system should detect the update automatically and prompt you to begin. Accept prompts and keep the vehicle powered. The installation can take from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on size, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. After completion, verify the new map version in settings and enjoy updated navigation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.